Hey there, everybody. Thomas Wood with ValueCharts.com. It is Monday, October 12th. We're going to take a look at some of the trade setups from the futures trading room today. Now, we were actually being really careful today and really cautious because it is a bank holiday and we were expecting a little less volatility in a lot of the markets. Now, that being said, crude oil ripped today. I went all the way from 50, and as of right now, it's at 47.44, so 2.5 points. But if you look at these two trend lines here, we had a couple different entry opportunities in this market. The first one was right off the bat, right in the morning, right as the trading room opened, and that was off of a 30-minute bear flag plus what we call a micro trend, where overall trend was down because we had lower highs, lower lows, and we had this micro trend where we had a small series of higher low pivots within the context of an overall downtrend. You draw your trend line and your entries on the break of the trend line, which was right here at about 49.70, 49.72, ended up breaking down from there. And if you had taken the short from there, which a lot of people did, it never retraced. It just fell straight through the floor. You were in good shape the whole day. The second entry opportunity was a little bit later in the trading room, around 11 o'clock, and that was off of another micro trend. And that was on a break below, it was on a break below 48.68 when we had a bear flag on the 30s. And that would have been right here. So you had a micro trend plus the 30-minute bear flag, just like we had first thing in the morning, bear flag plus a micro trend. And that would have given you your entry right at about 48.66, 48.67. And that ended up selling off, working really well. You'd be up about $1,200, $1,300 a contract based on that setup so far. And crude is still moving down and still has a ton of downside momentum. So great job to everybody in the trading room that's been holding on to those shorts. They've worked out really well. Trend has been down all day long, where we've been putting in lower high, lower lows pivots throughout the entire day, and we've just really never let up on the down move. So great trading there. That's all I have for you for today. I hope everyone has a great afternoon. I will see many of you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning. And if I'm not going to see you in the trading room bright and early tomorrow morning, why not? Go ahead and sign up for a free or a $7 trial for a 1 month of the futures trading room and of the entire platinum membership at ValueCharts.com. All you have to do is go to ValueCharts.com/go. That gives you an entire month for $7. You get access to the futures trading room, the options trading room, plus all of the premium end of day videos for members. So that's all I have for you for today. And until next time, happy trading.